Work out the following integral, the integral of sine squared 3x dx. So here we got to do sine squared of a multiple angle. Now you might remember that cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. If we attempt to make sine squared theta the subject, we get 2 sine squared theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta, and therefore sine squared theta will be a half of 1 minus cos 2 theta. So we're going to replace this with something like this. So we're going to have the half out the side of the integral sign, and then in brackets we're going to have the 1 minus cos. Now because the angle here is 3x, if you look here, this is theta, it becomes twice it, so twice 3x, it becomes 6x dx. We're now actually in a stage where we can actually integrate the function. So we're going to have the half out in front, the integral of 1 is x, and then we're going to have sine 6x, because the integral of cos is sine. Now, if we did d dx of sine 6x, we would get cos 6x, but we'll get an extra 6 in front. So to compensate for that, here we need to put in 1/6. Of course, we need to now add the c. And then finally, we'll take out 1/6 as a common factor to get 1/12, and this will now become 6x minus sine 6x plus c, which is the final answer. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to do the integral of sine squared of a multiple angle. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.